everybody, we're the Adventure Boys, and today we're going to be showing you how to make slime. So let's jump right in. And what you're going to need is some borax, some like measuring cups or some bowls, and then you're going to want some measuring spoons, popsicle sticks or something to stir it around, food coloring, we're making blue slime. You're going to need water and glue. And then, so the first thing you're going to do is put 1.5 teaspoons. So let's go ahead and get a teaspoon here. A teaspoon. Here, I'll move this. Yeah, okay, here you go. Okay, put it over the, actually, if we don't want to put too much, okay, let's go ahead. That's exactly why. Level it out a little. One. Then we need a half. So get a half teaspoon right there. And a half. Now you're gonna mix that together. Mix it all up. Get that all dissolving. Then you can set the borax aside. And then you can take these. And then you're gonna add that into 3 cups of water. This is 3 cups of water we have here, and 1.5 teaspoons of borax. Then you're gonna add into your other measuring bowl. You're gonna add. We're using around 15 ounces of glue with this. We're using 6.25 ounces of glue. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and take your lids off and dump them into the bowl. Just regular school glue. Keep those dumping in. And once you got all your glue in, then you're going to add into here 1.5 cups of water, which we have right here. And then you're going to add your food coloring into the glue as well. Once we get all this. Okay, I think that's about as much as we're going to get out. I'm not sure. We can actually pour the water. It's going to go into them. Go into our glue. To try to not waste any glue. I'm going to go ahead and shake this up. Make sure the lid's on all the way. And make sure you put that in the glue mixture. In. Okay, head dump it. There we go. Kind of looks pink from the bowl reflecting onto it. Okay, so set your glue aside. Borax is almost all the way dissolved. Then we're taking our blue food coloring. And then this is, you just put whatever color food coloring you want. The less you do, the lighter the coloring is going to be. The more you do, the darker the coloring. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Want it darker? I don't know. Let's see what it looks like once this is just all mixed up. Let's see what it looks like right now. This is blue. Right now it just kind of looks like glue with food coloring because that's all it is. So we want it a little bit darker, so we're going to add a couple more drops of blue food coloring. One more. Okay. Go ahead and, oh, they're stuck together. Mix them up. Yeah, there we go. I think even more. Yeah. Go ahead and add some more. Just add the food coloring until it's the color that you like. keep adding. No, you just squeeze it. You can do whatever color you want. Okay, I think we're at a pretty good color. And then you're gonna add the borax and water to the glue and water in your food coloring mix. Yeah, we have the rest of this right now. Okay, here we go. We're adding the rest of our water. Might want it darker. You want it darker?
Yeah, I think we can do.
Just do like 5 more drops. That will be plenty dark. 1, 2. That's good. So you can use a popsicle stick, whatever you want to get this all combined. And your borax all dissolved to your water. Then you can add the two together. Okay, I want to go ahead and add the two together.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Adding the two together. Now is when we got slime. Wow, okay. Go ahead and go put the camera on it. Wow, you can see it's already clumping up. Holy cow. Wow, that's clumping crazy. Oh, it's almost like not workable. Oh, holy crap. Oh, wow. Just want to keep mixing this.
Thickening so fast.
I know, it's insane. It's like all
That little bit of borax just
like completely transformed it. It's like jelly. Wow. It's all stuck together. I'm gonna pick it up, okay?
Let's mix.
Here we go.
I think we need just a little more.
A little more?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
We can mix it with our hands a little. Here we go. Make sure we're in view, in frame. Wow, look at that. That is this.
So cool.
Insane.
Jello.
It's like this slime. It really slimy, but it doesn't stick to your hands. Like from the water or something, it doesn't stick. And the water, it's going to be left in your bowl. You can just dump out. It's just completely just slime. Oh, bring some of it out to the camera.
So cool.
And it like tears. It's just like this blob of gooey slime. And it's
Weird,
stretchy
just,
too. It's like,
It's really slippery, huh?
yeah, it's like mucusy. Okay, take the popsicle stick out of there. We can transfer it to there and dump out this water. Or even just set the water aside. Okay, here we go. Dumping it in. No, just hold on. Here, we'll just take the whole blob out of here and then set it there. You can like pick it up and it's like a solid at this point. Then you can set your liquid aside. And here it comes. The giant blob of gooey slime. Smells like glue, maybe a little soapy. I can't even pick it up. It's like so slick, just like, and it's so stretchy. Wow, that's amazing.
Like
It's crazy.
so big.
Could have made it a little darker, but it's. I'm gonna see if I can pick it up and bring it up there. Here we go.
Oh, holy crap.
Here it comes. Okay. That's what it looks like. And once it's out of the water, it starts to dry and become like a little bit stiffer and like stickier, but it's still like, I mean, you can just like run your hand along. It just stretches and oozes.
So cool.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. I'm gonna see if I can like spread it apart. It's like just Jello. It's so slippery, and it like, oh, I dropped some. It's fine. It's fine. We have a whole bunch more. Yeah. Just like this slimy goo. And I think the more you mix it, the smoother it's gonna get. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can like, stretch it up. It's so hard to hold on to. It's like
just like wants to slip out of your hands.
Bring the camera down here. You can hear it just like swishes around and. Okay, here we go. There's still a blob down in there. That's crazy. Just from a couple glue and food coloring, water and borax. Oh, it's so slippery, way slipperier than it looks like. And you can like push your hand through it and it won't tear. It more rips than like
Tears.
and breaks, yeah. Okay.
You're risking it.
I know, it's amazing filling. I like it when it's firmer like this. Hit it. Like smack it hard. Wow. It just like takes all the force away. And it's like, hit it again really hard.
Make sure it's in frame. Here we go. Here we go.
Go. Look, you can see it's like opening up. It's tearing.
Holy crap.
Oh, no. I wonder what would happen if you just shake it back and forth. It would like ooze down.
It's weird how it's just like so stretchy.
Okay. So, if you guys enjoyed watching how to make slime, this giant flubber slime, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of our videos and our experiments, make sure you subscribe. And until next time, bye. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we're here the next day with the flubber. This flubber slime got 2 little pieces here out of the main batch. And it's got a lot smoother. It's not as, like, it's just so much funner to play with. It's not all, like, terrible. And I mean, you can still, like, tear it, but it's not, like,
funner to play
yeah,
with
it's, like,
now.
kind of fluffy and light. But you can't really, like, compress it. And it's just really fun. And if you're worried about the food coloring getting on your hands, you might not want to put the food coloring in there because it will stain your hands a little, whatever color you put in your goo slime. So you just have to either not put it in and just leave the slime white, like the color the glue would be, or put a little food coloring in, have it like this, and stain your hands a little. Just have to wash them after. And it's so fun to play with. Our mom loves playing with it. It's like, it oozes. If you just leave it in your hand, it will just like ooze out and spread, and you can like stretch it out. It will just come into a big blob.
If you, we have ours in a plastic bag, and if you just, open it and just turn your back for like a little bit, it just will
Oozes
everywhere, ooze out of the
all
bag.
over your table. You can see just from this short amount of time, it's already all oozing. It, put it back in a bowl, and it's all like bouncy kinda. But so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.